Maintenance mode on your BT YouView box is a diagnostic state that the device enters when it detects system errors, corrupted software, or hardware issues. Think of it as the box's way of saying, "Something's wrong, let me try to fix it." When your YouView box enters this mode, it's attempting to protect itself and recover from detected problems. Common triggers that cause maintenance mode include interrupted software updates, especially those from late 2024 and early 2025, power failures during critical operations, hard drive issues, or network connectivity problems during startup. If your box is stuck in maintenance mode, start with the simplest solution, a power cycle reset. This process involves unplugging the box, waiting, then reconnecting it with a specific button sequence. Unplug the box from the power outlet for exactly 30 seconds. This allows all internal components to fully discharge and reset. Step 2. Plug the box back in while holding the power button. Continue holding the power button until the BT logo appears on your screen, then release it. Step 3. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the box to fully boot. During this time, the system is performing diagnostic checks and loading all necessary software components. Additionally, ensure you have a stable broadband connection. Network issues can prevent the box from exiting maintenance mode successfully. Try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for more reliable connectivity. When simple restarts don't resolve maintenance mode issues, the next step is performing a factory reset through the maintenance menu. This advanced procedure can resolve deeper software corruption problems. Using your remote control, navigate through the maintenance mode menu to locate the factory reset option. This process requires patience as it can take over 45 minutes to complete. As of 2025, BT Technical Support recommends a tiered troubleshooting approach. This means starting with soft resets before progressing to factory resets, ensuring you don't perform unnecessary intensive procedures. Prevention is always better than repair. There are several key strategies to prevent your YouView box from entering maintenance mode in the first place. First, ensure adequate ventilation around your box to prevent overheating. Overheating is a major cause of system instability and maintenance mode entries. Second, schedule software updates during off-peak hours when network traffic is lower. This reduces the chance of interrupted updates that can trigger maintenance mode. Third, use surge protection to maintain stable power supply. Power fluctuations and outages during critical operations are common triggers for maintenance mode issues. Looking ahead, BT is transitioning away from traditional YouView boxes toward cloud-based streaming solutions. This shift will eliminate many hardware-related maintenance mode issues. By 2027, BT plans to phase out YouView boxes entirely in favor of streaming-only solutions. This timeline is important when deciding whether to repair or upgrade your current system. When deciding between repair and upgrade, consider the age of your hardware and frequency of issues. Repeatedly repairing aging hardware may be less cost-effective than upgrading to a modern streaming solution. Cloud-based streaming solutions offer several advantages: no local hardware to maintain, automatic updates, and access to the latest features. This represents the future of television technology.